VET token holders and VeChain investors, welcome back to the channel. VeChain has broken one of the great price point, and I'm going to share with you that VeChain is on their way to explode. We have seen that VeChain got stuck around 7 and 8 cents. Take a look right here. Every single time it went to 8.5 cents, it had to go back. Once again, 8.5 cents, it had to go back. We have seen multiple times, but finally it broke out of this region. It went at 9.5 cents. I precisely called this out before 3 or 5 days that VeChain is going to explode, and it is precisely doing this. So get ready, buckle up, and wait for the rally that is going to come up. As a matter of fact, VeChain, VET token, could be the cryptocurrency for 2022. If you watch my previous video, I precisely called out that VeChain can hit 10x in 2022. We are looking at the circulation supply of 64.32 billion with the max supply of 86.7 billion. We see that the volume has been increasingly going higher and higher. It's 15% higher, 255 million. If you remember what we talked about VeChain, their market cap is 6 billion, and there's a massive potential why it can hit 60 billion because it is solving some real world problem. In this particular video, I want to share with you that this particular price point that VeChain has broken up is going to add a ton more fuel. VeChain was sideways when most of the crypto went all-time high. By the way, if you don't mind hitting the like button, that will be super helpful so this video can reach to more and more people. Also subscribe to my channel. When people are looking at Polygon, we want to look at VeChain. I called out Polygon a few days back. Right now we are all-time high, 28% high in last 7 days, 9% high in last 24 hours. I precisely called out Polygon at $1.70. We are making $1.20 on Polygon just within 8 or 9 days. Super massive. But right now this is the turn for VeChain. So hit that like button for VeChain. Subscribe to the channel for a lot of crypto related news so you don't miss out on some of the time sensitive information. Once again, if you take a look, this pink moving average for 7 day, we are about 7 day. That means it's a bullish pattern. For 25 days we are still above the 0.012, which is pretty high as well, but we are not yet close anywhere to moving average of 99 days. But this particular pattern that we broke out, 7.5 cents, 8.5 cents, and right now we are 9.5 cents. Once again, a very bullish pattern. Take a look on VeChain price point. We are 500% up for last 1 year. That means $1,000 turned into $5,000, which is once again a massive return on the investment you want to look out for. Take a look, 6.1 billion market cap, which is going to be 61 billion because of the catalysts that are coming up. See right here, Coinbase is not supporting VeChain, Webull is not supporting VeChain at the moment. VET token is not available everywhere. If you want to find out where VET token is available, I'm going to share with you a few examples of or where you can buy VeChain. You can buy on Binance and some of other crypto exchanges, but you want to be careful because VeChain is going to get listed on some of the major platforms very soon, including Webull and Coinbase. We don't really know exactly when, but why should you keep watching VeChain VET token in 2022? One of the massive thing is the operating on VeChain Tor blockchain. The VeChain VET crypto aims to use as a distributed governance and Internet of Things in technology. So IoT, Internet of Technology, is the future where everything is going to be tracked via how the users are interacting. VeChain can identify as a unique identifier. VeChain has capability to identify a unique event, very similar to what you can think of QR code or any other barcode that can identify a unique transaction. VET token can do it over the blockchain with a unique identifier identifier, which is once again a massive deal. It is super slick, it is time efficient, so it's very much, and it's cost effective as well. The token Friday on December 24th raised or rallied by 8%. The volume spiked up as well by 12% within the last couple of days, and we have been seeing 15% in the last 24 hours. And it announces the government of Inner Magnolia that has chosen the VeChain Thor to power a massive full traceability platform. VAT token is ranked as number 31 in the market cap, coin market cap, and it was one of the most traded token at a price point of 946 as you see right now, and we went to 95, and it is going to spike up with the volume of 396 million US dollars. Now, why it is super important? VeChain is a protocol that aims to make the real-time trustless data, that data sharing between the multiple participants, and it was founded in 2015. One of the things that you want to also note is that VeChain only spiked up 500%. We have been seeing when you have a real good use cases, we see that the crypto spikes up 50%, 50,000%, 5,000%, 500%, but VeChain on the line, it is not really spiked up just yet. So there is a massive explosion coming, in my opinion, for VeChain, because it needs to do its part, because VAT token is not just yet up 10x, 20x, 30x that we usually see in crypto. If you remember what happened to Shiba Inu, Polygon Matic token, Bitcoin, including Bitcoin, Ether, and many other cryptos, Dogecoin, they have done tremendously well. VeChain is solving one of the real world problem, and it has to spike up based on what we see. One of the things that you want to remember, that VeChain is available right now on Binance, Bitpanda, Gate.io, KuCoin, BC Bitcoin, so on, and Kraken. It's available on Kraken. But one of the favorite platforms are still missing out. Webull is one of them, Coinbase is another one, and Robinhood is also one more. Webull recently did the survey where 85% people, 86% people mentioned that they want to see VAT token VeChain on Webull, which is going to happen because that's the tendency. That is how Webull is doing business. They want to identify what their users want, and they're gonna launch it. So which is why it is going to get more and more popularity. Remember, Coinbase will be the second one who will start supporting VeChain. It is not supported on Coinbase just yet. You saw that, why the rally can come, why this could be once again rally to 14-15 cents. I've been talking about VeChain since it was 7 cents in the last stabilized mode, that it is going to get out of the zone, and which we started seeing right now, that it rebounded just right now. So you don't want to miss out on that. Not only that, this is a 10x token for 2022. Remember, crypto market is based on the fear and greed index. Right now we are at 37 fear, so we are still in fear. We were neutral last month, around 51 to 47 mark, you see right here. Last week we were in fear. We were in actually extreme fear with the index of 23. Yesterday we were 39, today we are 37, so we are getting out of that zone as well. When you see this fear and greed index go to green, which means Bitcoin will start spiking up, goes above 55,000, 60,000 US dollars, you will see the altcoin will start performing better and better and better. But you want to be prepared. At that time, people will have FOMO, fear of missing out. When people are in greed, you want to be fearful, and when people are fearful, you want to be greedy. So remember that. Right before we saw Polygon, we bought Polygon at $1.70, $1.80, and we waited. Right now, Polygon is hitting all-time high. It is going to hit $3, but is it a great investment at the moment? I'm not sure. Do your own due diligence. This is not an investment advice, or I'm not an advisor. But what I'm trying to say is you want to find out your next big thing that can help you out. And based on what we see, once we get out of this zone, we are going to hit 9.7. Once we hit 9.7, and once we cross the 10 cents mark, we are going to spike up to 10 cents up to 14 cents, which is double than when we started at 7 cents. So you want to make sure that you notice that. Now, why VET is faring? VET token is ranked 31 on CoinMarketCap with 946 at the moment. And the volume is 396 million, which is up by 7.22%. And we have seen 500% growth in last 1 year, as I just shared. And this is going to be amazing ride in 2022, because that could be very well could be 10x or more. That means $1,000 can earn $10,000. $1,000 can turn into $10,000, or $100,000 can turn into $500,000 or $1 million, for the matter of fact, if it's 10x. So I just wanted to share this information with you. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.